Hello and welcome to our All Sites modules video. So today we'll be finding out about what our modules tab is within site settings and where we can find this. So we begin in our site details tab for a site, and we just want to navigate over to the modules tab. So the modules tab within site settings shows all the available modules for a site and also indicates which are installed and which can be updated. So as we can see, we've got authors, blog, design system, e-commerce, email marketing, FAQ, menu, secure zones, system files, and testimonial. So on the right hand side, you can reinstall them, install them, and when there are updates, they will also show here and you can update them as and when there are new releases. So today we have found out about our modules tab for site settings and what this does for us.